Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Boss Vision, where I share with you all everything you need to know about making candles.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key.
In today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you all my top best-selling scents for fall. I will be exposing myself. This is an opportunity for you to absorb as much information as possible to ensure your business succeeds, okay? So definitely stay tuned for the video. If you like step-by-step tutorials, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Hey girl, hey, we're on the road to 100K, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. First, we start off with turning on our wax melter. I use the 2-auto melter from Amazon. It has been a game changer to avoid that long, drawn-out double melting process. I just simply turn it on and I heat it at its max, which is just 212, so I don't have to worry about overheating the wax. A lot of people mention getting a Presto pot or making it work, but honestly, that's like getting a toy car and putting some real wheels on it. It just will not run the same, okay? I really recommend just getting a 2-auto wax melter like this, just to ensure your wax is properly melted every time. Next, we're moving on to the jar. So I use the Black Nordic 3-wick ceramic jars from Candle Science. These are so high quality and give such a luxurious feel with the wide diameter. Right now, I'm just sanitizing them with rubbing alcohol. Don't be like me. Make your candles as soon as you buy your jars. Don't let them sit and collect cobwebs for months. It's incredibly important to ensure your jar is completely dry and clean, fully sanitized, rid of any kind of residues or anything that would interrupt its adhesion to the wooden wick. Next, we're moving on to supplies. So I get these wooden wicks from Amazon. If you're brave enough, they come with a wick trimmer and all the metal bases you'll need for $9.99. Yes, it's a real steal. And I did a wick test with the coconut apricot cream with the matte black bezel, and yes, ma'am, they work beautifully. Try this at your own risk, okay? I also get wick stickers on Amazon. Anything that's available with Prime for my business, I'm going to get it, okay? I really hope you guys have Amazon business too, because your supplies come out cheaper and you can report to your business credit score. I'll put the link below for you to take advantage, okay? Yes, y'all know the wick metal bases come from the wooden wick kit on Amazon, so it's important to have these to stabilize your wooden wick. So here I'm just carefully applying these wicks to the jar. Now, since our wax has been fully melted in our 2-auto, we are able to move on to pouring. So I normally use a pouring pitcher, the metal ones, but today I was in the mood to use a measuring pitcher, which I got years ago from Amazon, of course. As you can see, it's completely clear. It's like for baking, but we're using it for candles, which is like baking too. And now for the moment you have all been waiting for. My secret recipe. Oh my god. Yes, y'all. So I use Sweater Weather and Tonic and Oud, however you say that word, to drive my customers crazy, okay? They love these scents and always scream loud praises at market. This one lady was just screaming. She had her kids with her. She's like, oh my god, because it smells so good together. Like, I went to Bath & Body Works recently and I smelled their Sweater Weather. It smells good, but it ain't got nothing on my Sweater Weather because why? It's mixed with Tonka and Oud. So I recommend getting these two scents. You need to get these scents, okay? You need to get your life together, okay? Period. Okay, next we're moving on to pouring. Oh my god, this is actually my favorite part. So calming, especially when we're getting into the colder months and you can smell candle scent so much stronger in your house. I also did a TikTok because your girl is a content queen. We have to get the content out, okay? And here is my live reaction to how my house smelled. That smells so good. Get it. That's why that lady was screaming, oh my god, that smells good. I'm like, I know, right? Yes, you heard it live. That was exactly how I felt, and that's how you will feel if you take advantage of this secret recipe. Okay, and now we have to move on to the labels. Hey guys, amazing moment. Here's what we do. We go to Avery.com. Your girl uses Avery for this. And I go to projects. Give me a project. Give me a hood red project. Okay, here we are. The dimensions of this amazing, beautiful is 2 by 3 3/4. Open the project. It's a Presta 9240, not 4240. Okay, look it up if you needed that. Edit 1 is important. So I'm going to delete all of the other amazing things. If you didn't know, I sell the bestseller Sparkling Prosecco for the summer. It's on clearance right now, and I know y'all love a good deal. So click the link in the bio and you'll get one. So here's the image. We're adding an image. It could be already on my account. Here we are, you guys. So we are in Canva, and just in terms of that, the dimensions are already here. So it's with Canva, I'd say just go look at that tutorial, but I created this design in Canva, and y'all know I'm the Black Bath and Body Works, so all my designs have a beautiful brand new background there, and I'm just going to select share, download. PNG is better for labels, and then only this current page. Okay, done. Good, done. Downloading. It takes forever on Canva for some reason. It's like they just want you to, like, you know, sit here for some reason. Like a picture, I don't know, a picture says 1,000 words. Back into Avery, delete this, and then we're gonna add an image right here. Upload an image, browse for the file, downloads. Okay, it's a MacBook. I don't know, it's weird. So I'm gonna go to it and then pull it in. Who knows if it really works? Cause it's my MacBook that be acting up. You have to like open the file, I feel like, beforehand or something. Downloads, and then wait right here and it'll come up. Like, it's just nuts. I hate waiting. I'm impatient. So wait, okay, and then now we put it to the corner. This is a secret. I'm just giving you a free game. If you have strugglings with your labels and they go over and stuff, put it in the corner, okay? And then you just expand yourself. Boom, baby. Okay, ignore them. Do your own thing. Live your best life. Preview and print. Continue anyway. Print it yourself, get the PDF, save it to your account, press OK, open the PDF, okay, and before I leave, I just want to show you how to print. Press print, right? Don't just go print like a stupid. Make sure your printer is already set up on high gloss, if you print on high gloss, which you should be, and then use the system dialog. Can't stress this enough. So don't get stressed about this because it'll be like photo high gloss. And I'm like, photo? Is it a photo paper or is it just photo gloss? Stress. Just put best quality and you could be fine, or you're fine. So now just select print and you're good to go. All right. Here we are, guys. Perfect label. Okay, no overlining, no nothing. Why, pray tell? Because we did what Talisha said in terms of her recipe. Definitely recommend you do what I did, okay, period.
Jenny? You weren't talking. So you invite her? Yeah. She's the last person I want involved in this. I'm not inviting Roger out, dude. Like, why would you do that? That's just like Jenny. Like, that's not...
Okay, guys, if you notice a change in quality, you're actually on my iPhone 14. We're in cinematic mode, so what's up? Brand new phone. Who's this? The camera battery died, so that's why we're here. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching my best-selling scent here, Sweater Weather. It's not called Sweater Weather. It's called Cozy Vibes. As you know, we are the Bath and Body Works of, Black Bath and Body Works of handmade. So we put Sweater Weather in the background because we have the best, amazing, most high-quality candle labels. Okay, period. If you want to learn how to make a candle label, as I said before, the link in the description to the video where I created a candle label for free using canva.com, and my candle labels are number one reason why people purchase from me. So I just want to let y'all know that is a better way to get your sales, get better high quality labels. Okay, take it, be different. Don't just do black and white. Black and white is boring. Do you watch movies in black and white? I didn't think so. Okay, period. But yeah, I double wick this because it's such a large diameter. Make sure it's perfect. And yes, I use Sweater Weather from Hive and Honey. Sweater Weather from Hive and Honey. You can't find the strain. I don't do strains or anything. That's just my younger year. I'm older. I'm an adult. I'm delivered from the strains. But you can't find the quality of her, you can't find the quality of Sweater Weather from anybody else besides Hive and Honey. So definitely get it from there. Link in the description of this video down below. And you got to get Tonka and Oud. I don't know where you get that from. I get mine sometimes from Candle Science, sometimes other places, but Tonka and Oud is always universal. It's gonna smell good. But Sweater Weather's not. So you gotta get it from, you know, Hive and Honey. Take advantage. But yeah, best-selling scent. I didn't give you too much of my recipe. I just gave you the fragrance. If you want to learn exactly how to make candles with a strong hot throw, I definitely suggest you download the Ultimate Hot Throw Masterclass. Yes, guys, it's gonna give you everything you need to know to set your business up for success and actually start making stronger scented candles. When I first started making candles, I had no hot throw. I sucked. But then I realized that your recipe has to be way more intentional. So I put in specific strategies to make sure you get a hot throw every time in the masterclass. It's a 4-week masterclass. Each lesson is less than 10 minutes, so you're not going to be like dying or anything of that nature, but you have a quiz at the end of each to show that you know what you're doing. But it's like true or false. You'll be fine. Definitely take the course. You'll get a certification at the end, and you'll be a stronger hot throw connoisseur. You'll be the expert. You want to be the expert. You don't want to be just like, I'm sweating, gross. You don't want to be intermediate. You want to be advanced. You want to be the best, the boss of whatever you're doing. Okay, that's why this is called Boss Vision, because I have your back like chiropractic. You know, if that do you dirty, we'll wipe her as in detergent. Now hurry. But yes, guys, go get you the Ultimate Hot Throw Masterclass. The link is in the description of this video. Or if you want more of a private, you like to be private and personal, you're introverted, private course, and I definitely recommend checking out the Ultimate Candle Making Survival Guide. Yes, this will give you business acumen, setting your business up for success, starting from scratch, A to Z, whatever you need to do in terms of like, okay, what do I do? What supplies do I need? When I get the supplies, what do I do with the supplies? After I get the supplies, what I do with the supplies? How do I sell these? Because it's like, we make these beautiful products. It's like, okay, I launched, ain't nobody buying. It's been 3 weeks, I got one sale, right? I know, I've been you. But the thing about it is I have over 8 years of sales experience. So I'm able to use those strategies to actually sell candles in my business and give you guys that secret sauce too. And it's in the Ultimate Candle Making Survival Guide. Link in the description down below. Take advantage, get it how you live. It's on sale right now. It won't be on sale for too long. During December, I'm ranking it back up. It was like $150 for December. But right now I think it's like $40. So yeah, grab the survival guide. It's $40. You spend more than that on coffee every month. Okay, period. And this will get your life together. You need to get your life together. Gone are the days that you work your 9 to 5 and you can't say anything. You can't complain about stuff because you can't afford. So if you get the Candle Making Survival Guide, you can afford to speak up, okay? Because you'll have savings. You'll have a little extra money, an additional stream of income. Okay, period. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment what you think of Cozy Vibes, Sweater Weather, you know, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Get the Hot Throw Masterclass, get these fragrances, live your best life, get the survival guide, live in your purpose and love life. Okay, bye. I'm trying to like not wave too loud because I'm sweating.
To make your girl OD, I get in my way, out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the moment.